Hello everybody, and thank you for watching our weekly overview video here just to see what has transpired since our last Monday session. As you can see, we are on the ES 240 minute time frame. This is what it looked like coming into last week's Monday. We're at 1495 down to 1490. And we knew that there was a big weekly zone just above us at 1522. So let's see what has happened. So as you can see, that big daily zone is still there. We had a couple nice bounces off of it, and we actually came up and kissed that weekly level. That's really big. You know, a couple times, just just right there on the mouth. You know, just on the border of that thing, and then drop back down into the 4 hour level. Again, we bounced a couple times off of that thing, and now we are into the big weekly level, looking for price action to confirm a turnaround for this big weekly area here. But until we get that price action that tells us to go short, you know, we still need to be keeping long, you know. So let price action confirm these levels for you. So and a lot of times they'll do like shooting stars or engulfing candles. You know, look for that type of price action, kind of like what we saw off these two little kisses off of this big weekly zone. So look for those type of things. Moving over to crude, here was our Monday chart, and we can see our big demand zone down here as well as a big supply zone up there, and we were just rocketing through some 240-minute time frames based on this picture here. So let's see what has happened. And as you can see, actually our two major zones there on the top and on the bottom, we've actually stayed in between those as we have done a contract rollover on the crude futures. But you can see we've now hit the top and bottom zones several times compared to what we were looking at on last Monday's, but it's still inside of that range. We took a look at the euro last week as well, and you can see that we were coming up to retest this level. So let's look at how this is played out here for us. Um, if we look over here, this is the level that was created. And actually, let's turn on our dead zones here just to see how price action has played out for us. And as you can see, that level that we were identifying, it actually had some really good money bounces off of there, as well as it came back up, and it really tried to retest this level up here but didn't quite make it there. So in normal zone theory, we'd actually merge these two together and then reposition this as such, just so that we have that money bounce happening right there, and it looks very nice and very pretty. And that's how I kind of handle that type of thing. And you can kind of see it was actually responding to the low of this candle right there. So down below we can see price action coming down here to our next demand level and just barely kissing that level as well. And then recoiling off of that, and you can kind of see how price is consolidated here, and it looks like we just have a brand new breakout out of the 240-minute chart. So that is what we're looking at on the euro right now. So always remember where these big 240-minute and daily time frame charts are as we look into the future, because it's really amazing how this stuff can form and how price really just bounces in between supply and demand very quickly and easily. But we need to be aware of that. So I hope that helps everybody, and thank you for joining me on the wrap-up video. Please stay tuned for our perspective video of what's going to happen this week. Thank you so much, and happy trading, everybody. Bye-bye.